Okay, we're going to start with our packet. Sight words. Let's read them together. Color, early, instead, nothing, oh, thought, scrambled, suddenly. I want you to look over your OU and OW words, okay? Ow, saying ow. And we're going to read our what's that sound. Now, what's that sound? Okay. Tap, tap, tap. Rat-a-tat-tat. What's that sound? Asked Gilbert. It started early this morning. I thought it might stop, but it hasn't. Let's check out the garage, said Marta. I think Dad is making the sound. Tap, tap, tap. Rat-a-tat-tat. Zing, zing, zing. Dad was in the garage cutting a board with his saw. Zing, zing, zing. This is not the sound, said Gilbert. This sound is smoother. Okay, let's go back to this first page and let's mark our words that have the ow sound. Okay? What's that sound? Ow, asked Gilbert. It started early this morning. I thought, there's an OU, but it's aw. It's not ow. So we wouldn't circle that one. It might stop, but it hasn't. Let's check out. There we go. The garage, said Marta. I think Dad is making that sound. Dad was in the garage cutting a board. He saw with his saw, zing, zing. That is not the sound. Ow. Sound right there, said Gilbert. This sound is smoother. Let's find Gramps, said Marta. He might be making the sound ow. Circle that. They quickly ran to the back of the house, ow, circle, to find Gramps. Gramps was sweeping the deck with a broom. Swish, swish, swish. No, this is not the sound, ow, said Gilbert. This sound, circle, is much softer. Swish, swish, swish. Let's find Anna instead, said Marta. Maybe she's making the sound. They found, ow, OU, found, circle, Anna in the driveway. Anna was bouncing, ow, bouncing, circle, a ball. Bam, bam, bam. No, this is not the sound, circle, said Gilbert. This sound is slower. That's an OW, but listen to the sound. Slower. So it's not an OW word. It's not an ow word. This is hopeless, sighed Marta. Tap, tap, tap. Rat-a-tat-tat. There it is again, said Gilbert. He looked up at the tallest tree. Suddenly he shouted, ow, there it is, circle it. Shouted, oh, wow, wow, ow. There you go. It's a bird. Look at the color on its head, cried Marta. It's red, like a red crown. Ow. Circle it, crown. The bird scrambled up and down, ow, down the tree. Tap, 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 rat-a-tat-tat. Tap, 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 rat-a-tat-tat. It's a woodpecker pecking for bugs, said Gilbert. Yes, said Marta, and nothing else sounds, there it is, like it. Tap, 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 rat-a-tat-tat.